Hello, I'm Girish Gupta, Chair of the Computer Science Department at Belmont Abbey College. In our career-focused online cybersecurity degree program, students will assess modern cybersecurity challenges that threaten our privacy, security, and safety, and gain both the knowledge and hands-on technical skills to protect assets from cyber criminals. Our cybersecurity program will also prepare students to obtain a CompTIA Security Plus certification, which will make them a strong candidate for employment. Cybersecurity professionals are in very high demand. There is virtually 0% unemployment in the field of cybersecurity, and about 460,000 positions are unfilled in the US alone. The median salary for cybersecurity professionals is around $90,000, with entry-level positions starting at about $60,000. Our online cybersecurity degree will help give students the opportunity to find a successful career that is intellectually stimulating and challenging as they find ways to handle new cyber attacks and threats. I am very excited to welcome you to our cybersecurity degree program at Belmont Abbey College.